Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram reels not showing on iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone and having this type of problem that when you want to play reels on your Instagram and reels button reels option not showing, so guys, how can you get this option? So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and guys, after doing this you need to go back. And guys, after connecting an internet connection, then guys you need to go back, and guys you need to open your app store here, because many of features are missing due to updates. So guys, here you need to search Instagram, and guys, after searching Instagram you need to open your Instagram here, and guys you need to update your app. And guys, after doing update, many of features will be working fine. As you can see here, you will find here option of reels in new update. So guys, simply you need to go back. And guys, after doing update, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to open Instagram, and guys you need to click on main profile, click on three lines, settings and privacy, and guys you need to click on help, and guys click on report a problem. And guys, after this you need to write here your problem that you are facing, the issue that reels not showing. So guys, after writing your problem, below you need to write your username and your email address for contact purposes. And guys, here you need to add your screenshot in which you are facing the issue that reels option not showing. And guys, after doing all the things, you need to click on send. And guys, after submitting your problem, within few hours your problem will be fixed. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.